Hello and welcome to Scomathon 2022. So I'm going to be going through the ProtectOrg Impact Creator. So my session will be happening very soon. You'll see the unveiling of my SCCM Management Pack, which has all been developed and done through the ProtectOrg Impact Creator. So we'll be going through that today just to give a quick overview on the product and how it works and the capabilities that it has. So let's step through that. So what is the Impact Creator? So let's go through a few bullet points in a nutshell that covers the overall basis of what the Impact Creator is for. So simplicity to management pack authoring. So this is all about having the simplicity of creating a management pack, because we all know how overwhelming creating a management pack can be, even with the tools that we have. So everything from Visual Studios to VSAE and using management pack fragments, we all know some of the headaches that we normally face. So this tool was developed with that in mind, just to bridge the gap with the advance and simplicity to what management pack authoring brings. The next point is then bridging the gap between beginners and MP authors, solid MP authors to be exact, because there are a lot of people who have maybe developed management packs in maybe the SCOM console, or some who may not have any knowledge on how to create a management pack at all. So it's all about consolidating both audiences so that we don't have to worry about whether you're a beginner or whether you're an advanced MP author or not. We're here to have a tool that brings all of those people together so that everyone could be on the same playing field, and it's a nice and easy way to construct a management pack and have more of an understanding on how a management pack works and how it works within SCOM. The next point, again, another consolidation point with speed and build quality. Now, we know that when it comes to authoring management packs, speed is something that develops over time, especially when you're used to the structure of how to develop a management pack. And then the build quality, of course, comes down to the integrity of how the management pack works. Is it constructed correctly? It won't cause any config churns. It won't cause any issues. You won't have any issues of discoveries or any other false positives or anything in the mix that SCOM can normally have issues with. The management pack build quality is perfect. As well as to support the integrity of all of your monitoring going forward for that particular technology you may have created that management pack for. And then the next point is to remove any dependencies for a smooth user experience. So let's say, for example, things like creating names for IDs or display names, display strings. We know that there are certain things that you have to adhere to some of the principles of management pack authoring, very similar to how development would work. Things like lowercasing, uppercasing, making sure that things match and also relate to each other. So we take away those dependencies so that creating a management pack has a lot smoother experiences across the board where the users are concerned when they want to create a management pack. So the next part we're going to go into is then the introducing of the Impact Creator. So we're going to go through all of the areas and windows and all of the features that the Impact Creator tool has. So the first part is the home page, the first of the display page. And just to go through everything, it's a nice and friendly splash page that we have here. And we can go through and create a management pack very simply just by clicking the Create Management Pack button. We also have the option to open the management pack. So any management packs that we created with this tool, we have a reference point and we can open them up and edit and delete and change wherever we see fit. We also have the ability to create knowledge-based articles for components such as monitors, rules, and discoveries. And then we also have a read-only mode for every part of the tool, so that anything that we create within our management pack, we have the ability to see all of the configurations in there as well. So we have a good track on everything in our management pack. And then we've got the management pack summary, which is the MP Designer homepage. This homepage simply has all of the statistics of all of the components we have in our management pack. So we've got a good understanding on account of each component that we have in our management pack. We also have the on-demand ability to change the management pack versioning. So whether you have accepted the default auto versioning, which will go up in an increment every time you build a management pack, if we want to change it to a specific version, then we do have the ability to do that here. We also can change the sealed status as well. So one great thing about this tool is that we can actually seal the management pack right off the bat as soon as we create a management pack, and then we have the option of changing that, matter of fact, whenever we want to as well. We also have a nice little menu here which allows us to go into different parts of the MPack creator, so that we want to create certain specific components for our management pack. Then we've got areas such as the classes designer form. So we have the ability here to create all types of classes. So this tool is configured to whether you want to create just an ordinary class, or if you want to create an abstract class, which being a parent class for other child classes, we have that supported here as well. We also have the ability to create a computer group and an instance group just based off of the class which you have created. So in a click of a button, you could have the class, computer group, and instance group all done all at the same time, and also have the discoveries done for the computer group and instance group as well. We also have the ability to create properties and assign them to the classes that we create as well. So great if you've got a parent class with some specific property values in which you want it to map to your other child classes as well. We also have the ability to create a run as profile account as well. Next, we've got the discovery methods. So we support discovery methods such as PowerShell, VB script. Then you've also got some of the querying type methods such as using the registry, the WMI. The great thing about this tool is that we also have inbuilt registry and WMI browsers, so you don't have to type anything in manually. You have the ability to go through a nice wizard, choose the specific registry key or run a specific WMI query, and then choose those properties and go ahead from there. And then we also got the PowerShell script, which can also pick up all of the property attributes that you use in your classes as well. So that will also save a lot of time as well. And with the registry and WMI, any properties that you add after the matter of fact of creating the class of discovery, those properties will be added into discovery, so then you can map them whenever you need to. We've got the monitor design configuration. So we've got, we could create event-based monitors, service-based monitors, performance monitors, very typical things here. And then we've also got the PowerShell monitor parts. But the great part about this, we've also got support for 2-state and 3-state for PowerShell monitors here. We've also got an alert parameters feature. So we have the ability to create alert parameters, and then we can map them to enrich our alert names and our alert descriptions as well. We've also got folders and view management. So we support nesting with multiple folders in our management pack base folder, which another feature about this tool is that as soon as you create the shell of your management pack, the management pack folder code is already created straight away. So you can go off and have that folder showing right away in your SCOM console as soon as you import that. We support all of the typically used views such as alert view, event view, performance, and state view. And we also have the settings in where we can configure more enriched settings for our views as well. And we also have a task designer as well, which we can support the ability of creating agent tasks and also diagnostic and recovery tasks based off the monitors that we have created in our management pack as well. So everything loops together, everything is brought across from different classes, different monitors, rules, everything is brought across and synchronized all together, so you know where to map all of your specific components. So where to find the MPack creator? So we've got the link here, which is on our website, protectorg.com/m-pack-creator. So if you are interested in this product, and I hopefully that you are, especially when you see the SCCM management pack, which we've got coming up. Yep, so definitely have a look at that website and have a look at all the other amazing products we have. So that's just the idea of how the MPack creator works. I hope you have enjoyed having a little overview of everything. We do have a webinar coming up for the Impact Creator on May the 17th. So please do get in touch with all further details, and we'll have more details released nearer to the time. So thank you very much. And I hope you have a great time watching the rest of this Scummathon.